Unlock stunning image enhancements, and upward magic with Nano Banana, all within Photoshop. Let's dive straight into the power of Nano Banana. For Photoshop, imagine taking your average shot and instantly elevating it into something truly professional. That's what we're going to achieve today. First, ensure you have Nano Banana installed, and that its panel is visible. You can usually find it under the Window menu. If it's not already open, this is your gateway to all the incredible tools. Nano Banana isn't just one tool. It's a suite. We'll start with its core enhancement features. Navigate to the Enhance section here. You'll find intelligent adjustments that go beyond traditional sliders. Clicking an option like Intelligent Color Boost or Smart Contrast applies sophisticated algorithms to instantly improve lighting, saturation, and detail without overdoing it. See that immediate improvement. It's like giving your image a professional color grade in seconds. Now, for the truly exciting part, AI-driven effects in the AI Effects tab. You have a library of creative possibilities, whether you want to stylize your image, add atmospheric elements, or even generate unique textures. Nano Banana has you covered. Simply click on an effect you like, and watch as Nano Banana intelligently analyzes your image to apply the style in a way that feels natural and integrated. You can often fine-tune the intensity further with a simple slider. But Nano Banana isn't just about single images. It's about efficiency. Explore the workflow tools for features that will save you hours. Options like batch actions allow you to apply your favorite Nano Banana edits to an entire folder of images simultaneously. Perfect for projects. This means no more repetitive clicking. You can set up your perfect edits once and let Nano Banana handle the rest, ensuring consistency across all your visuals, from enhancing portraits to adding creative flair and streamlining your entire process. Nano Banana within Photoshop is your secret weapon for professional results, faster than ever before.